Asili tukuli ya lero ime ya assembly yetu na tena na sokobori statement na nyama chivu was public service na abandi bayosikane ngo ya ebintu bingi byakoreka bitarenge by'erichiko bitabwati tichiko linde yali ase assembly yali yali kwa bunge mashinani ndege tangani tumanye tetwensi nge first supplementary ya Nyamira county ya kora tubunge mashinani na ndege gatumeka mumanye teko rwari ase senate na korwa ase court ruling ya the bomet bata dange bintu byonse byakorekanite ase bunge mashinani bia ebwate tichiko na ndege bia renge maminja yeri chiko they were null and void. So if supplementary was null and void, in a ten nakuwori statement ingo yetome to na ende under which powers ya the legitimate assembly. Members of municipality boards. The word municipality ya Nyamira, municipality ya Nyamira, ne municipality ya Kiroka. Chi board chiribere chi atereti bunge mashinani. Nabo renga ngochietetie na ende na kichigo kolegasi ekero bimakia werenga darna activities for null and void. Yendo kende nataka kumanya there was a select committee ya public service board ya lego chungusa na gochora members of the public service board the commission a select committee ya tuguna gotiani wase bunge mashinani igonto matenga bintu binde byonse ya kolire no eno gokora interview ya public service board ebire null and void bire maminja yerichi so nda komanya na kiati anetigu na ndena kia kora interview inse yerichi kia is the appointment of the CEC member of public agriculture, CEC member of agriculture. Muwasiri wa agriculture igachorwa igari bunge mashinani agakori gu vetting bunge mashinani na ende agatianiwa agarade bunge mashinani na enda kaiwe gasio wasiri agriculture. We want to know na kiara office ichiko kia gutumia because appointment yae was not and void kulingana the ruling of the court kitalikinye kurwari bomet